Today I'm going to teach you how I do my iced coffee. I have gotten many requests. Hey, how do you do your iced coffee? Hey, what do you put in it? Hey, what do you use? So today I'm going to teach you how I make my iced coffee at home. It is delicious. It is the bestest coffee I've ever tasted. It's perfect in sweetness. No acidity, they're clean ingredients. Everything about this coffee I love. So I'm going to teach you how I do my iced coffee. Now let's get to it. The first thing you're going to need is an empty mason jar. This is 2 cups. This ends up being 2 mason jars in one because Mama needs a lot of coffee every morning. Next, you're going to use your cold brew that you did at home. And I will go ahead and link the recipe up here, the video where I'm explaining how I do this cold brew coffee and the process it takes to make it. So, the first thing I'm going to use to sweeten it, it's organic honey. This is organic raw honey. Now this honey, this is my secret ingredient, raw honey. This tastes way better than sugar. So what I go ahead and put in here, it's about, I want to say this is about 3 tablespoons. I like it really sweet. Not too sweet, but perfectly sweet. Now what I like to go ahead and do is grab the honey. Then I put in my coffee concentrate. This is about 1.5 cups of coffee concentrate. Now you only use a little bit because of the simple fact that it's concentrate. It's stronger than regular iced coffee. Now with my same long straw, I just go ahead and mix it. I always mix the honey, make it dissolve and turn watery. Now, the next thing I add is almond milk. You could go ahead and use cow milk, but I always put almond milk. Almond milk is delicious and it's just perfect. So I put about 1 cup of almond milk. Now it's still kind of dark. So what I also splash in there is half and half. Half milk, half cream. And I stir it till I get the perfect color I want. Like so. What I also like to sprinkle in there is some coconut sugar. Oh, and I almost forgot. I used to do this. I don't do this anymore. But you could go ahead and act like a vanilla extract. You could even mix some cream and vanilla extract and save it in your fridge so you could have some organic creamer. It's always delicious, regardless what you do. Anyways, I go ahead and put in about a teaspoon, half of a teaspoon of coconut sugar. Once you stir it all up, you're gonna go ahead and put your ice. Make sure you make it really nice and icy. And you want to mix it to get it really nice and cold. And then you taste it. Oh my gosh, guys, I promise you, try this. You have to try this. You have to try this and give me feedback. It saves you so much money, so much time, and you always have it. So I think it's cold enough. Cheers, enjoy.